Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to do the photo editing named the double color exposure effect, and the tool that we will use is the Photopea. In case if you haven't installed the Adobe Photoshop yet, and if you need the certain platform that can help you to do the photo editing for free and without the login, so this Photopea gonna be your, let's say, your bucket list or maybe your alternative that can help you guys. And here I will show you the tutorial. So the first step you can do here, you can go to the file, and after that you can open the picture. That make sure you have already removed the background first. For example, this one, and click open over here. And after that, I will start to select this layer, and I will go to this new adjustment layer, click it, and go to the black and white like this until you see over here that the color is already turned into the black and white. And this is gonna be the setting of the properties. You can click this to minimize it. And after that, you can start to create the another layer by clicking this new layer. And you can start to move this layer to below this background by click this and hold it until it will be moved down here. Perfect. And after that, I will give the color for this layer. So the trick that you can use here, so make sure you click this section. If you see there's two color over here, so make sure you can choose this one. And for example, I will choose the color of black and click OK. And to apply this color, I will use the paint bucket tool. How do you find it? So you can find it from this section. Click it and hold it until you find the gradient tool and also the paint bucket tool. You can select this one and click this area. 1, 2, 3. There you go. And after that, you can start to give the selection for this black and white layer and give the right click and click this flatten image. And after that, I will start to duplicate this background, and you can simply give the right click over here and click this duplicate layer. And after that, this layer or this copied layer just stay being selected and give the right click again and go to the blending option. And after that, you can start to try this channel. You can inactivate it, for example. And after that, make sure you click this move tool, and you can start to move this picture or this layer, let's say to the left, to the right, and you can also maximize the size of it. Which one do you prefer? Maybe if you would like to create the album of your music, so this can be your inspiration to have the design of the double color exposure effect like this. So isn't that easy, right? So don't forget to try this tutorial, and I hope this video finds you helpful, guys. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys!